Hello everybody, it's Chris here and it's very nice to welcome you on my YouTube channel. It's very first video on this channel and first episode about this strange yet unique car I just bought. Let's check out the hero of this series. So, something more about the car. It's Mazda 929 from 1988, I believe, if I remember correctly, that I bought 1 month ago. I bought this especially to drive a Turbo Killers event on Motopark Torun. So yeah, I adjusted the car to a drift spec because it's a drift car. So I put some stuff on it, welded the rear diff and make it go sideways. So, unfortunately, on the track, I had at the end of the first day, I had small issue with the engine. So, problem was connecting the rod bearing. It started to knock. I already took out the oil pan, disassembled the bearings, and that's how they look. Here I got the bearings, those are good new ones, good ones, and here are the old ones. Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a wear on it, on them. This is probably from the cylinder 4. There was one for cylinder 1. So yeah, they don't look so too good. Let's take a closer look at one more. So yeah, now I need to replace them. The crankshaft looks quite good. There is no major like scratches or something like that. Besides, the car is a cheap beater, winter beater, how you say in the USA, yeah, winter beater. Yeah, just the winter coming up here in the Central Europe. So I will fix this, start this car. I hopefully it will run again. Stay with me during the process of replacing the bearings. We'll start this up and see if it lives. Let's step into some work clothes and start to work on this car. So yeah, I jumped in my working clothes and we can start to work on the Mazda. First thing to do, I need to clean my oil pan. No, first thing to do is little snack. First step, I will clean this oil pan and some other mounting parts of the oil pan. Put this back all together, fill it with a fresh oil and see if it works. Okay, keep the thumbs up and let's do this. Yeah, very good. Okay, so I got the parts clean, not like super clean, but at least they are better than they were before. Check out how much dirt. It's like, it's not really oil but like slug, something like this. So got those clean, and now I will take rest of the bearings out and put the new ones in. So let's go. Okay guys, so during the recording of the time-lapse working on my car, the battery died in the GoPro and I couldn't record it. What with the Mazda? I replaced the bearings and after that I started it up and it was still knocking.
Niepotrzebne.
Teraz będzie chodzić,
No, dawaj.
Kurwa, ale jebnie z byleki.
Dobra, dawaj teraz.
Łapie na lało tam.
It's gonna be awesome.
Akcja!
Action. Oh,
Ło!
that's the plan.
Nie gazuj, nie gazuj! Po chuj gazujesz? Po chuj gazujesz?
So I checked the compression ratio and it turns out the engine lost compression on two last cylinders, on cylinder number 3 and 4. So what I can say, I had to take out the head. I have to take out the cylinder head from this car, go to the machine shop to make it over. Probably, I guess that the valves got burned away because this engine have like 400k kilometers on it. So yeah, and it have like LPG installation in it, so it was probably running on a lean mixtures during its life, because once I bought this and start up the car, I noticed that there was a lot of air leaks on the manifold, on the whole intake system and everywhere. So yeah, I guess valves just burn away. Oh shit. That's it for today. I told myself that once I replace the bearings and the engine will run, I will fix it, modify it more and more, and I didn't thought that there will be problem with the cylinder pressure on it. And to be honest, I am a little bit down, but on the other side, I wanted to put a turbo on it, so now I have the opportunity to lower compression ratio on it and boost it even more than I wanted. So I can squeeze more power out of this thanks to this whole situation with the engine. So yeah, I think it will take me like 2 weeks approximately to 3 to make it run again. So yeah, see you on the next episode.